Maya is going to order dinner for the whole family. One app, one order. Simple. What could possibly go wrong?
Maya, this is sushi. What? There is sushi here. A lot of sushi. What do you mean sushi? I ordered pizza. Maya is looking at her phone. She wants to order pizza for dinner. The children are very excited about this. Okay, everyone. I am ordering dinner tonight. No cooking, no dishes, just food.
Delivered to our door. Yes! Pizza, please! Extra cheese. Can I have the grilled chicken salad from that new place?
Done. And Mom wants her usual soup. Easy. I've got this. One app, one order. Simple. Yes, Lisa, I am ordering right now. No, it is easy. I do this all the time. Pizza, check. Soup, check. And chocolate cake for me, obviously check. Done! 45 minutes. Perfect. Did you check the orders properly? Did I check the orders properly? Lisa, of course I did. I am very organized.
Food is here! The food is here!
Sam, all food smells good when you are hungry. Maya, this is sushi. What? There is sushi here. A lot of sushi. What do you mean sushi? I ordered pizza. This is definitely sushi. And this one is also sushi. And this one? Oh no! What is happening? I think I ordered from the wrong restaurant. What did you order? I thought I ordered pizza, grilled chicken salad, and soup. And what did you actually order? Sushi. 4 portions of sushi. And miso soup. And green tea ice cream. Maya. In my defense, the app looked very similar to the pizza app. They are completely different apps, Maya. Actually, sushi does not look that bad. Sam, you wanted pizza. I know, but this one has a little fish on top, and I kind of like fish. Sam, we are not eating sushi for dinner. Why not? It is food. It arrived at our door. Maya ordered it. Sam is right. We ordered it. We are paying for it. We should eat it. Hello, sweetheart. Is the food there? Yes, the food is here. Great news. Oh, wonderful. I am so hungry. Is my soup nice and warm? About the soup, Mom. Funny story, actually. Maya, what happened? So, you know how I said I was ordering from the Turkish restaurant? Yes. Well? I may have accidentally ordered from a different restaurant. Which restaurant? A Japanese one. How Japanese? We have sushi, a lot of sushi. Is it at least good sushi? Sam, try a piece. Actually really good. Sam says it is really good, Mom. Fine, save me some. I will be home in 20 minutes. Love you, Mom. You are very lucky I love sushi, Maya. I know, Mom, I know.
Maya, how do you use these sticks?
They are called chopsticks, Sam.
Why chop? Am I chopping something?
You use them to pick up the food, Sam. Here, like this. Hold one still, move the other one.
Like scissors?
Sort of, yes.
Oh no!
Sam, just use a fork.
No, I want to learn. Maya, I got one! I got one!
Well done, Sam.
This is amazing. Maya, can we order sushi every Friday? We were supposed to have pizza, Sam. Pizza is great, but sushi is also great.
Thank you, Sam. Chloe, just try one piece for me.
I wanted grilled chicken salad, Maya.
I know, I am sorry, but look, this one has avocado. You love avocado.
That does have avocado.
And cucumber, and it looks very fresh.
Fine, one piece. It is actually quite nice.
I knew it! Chloe likes the sushi.
Do not make a big deal of this, Maya. Chloe likes sushi!
Sam, I will take your chopsticks away.
Sorry.
It actually smells quite nice in here.
Mom! Mom! We are having sushi! And I learned chopsticks.
This looks actually very nice, Maya.
I am still sorry, Mom.
Oh, that is good. Where is this from?
Tokyo Garden, just around the corner.
Maya, what did you order for yourself?
Chocolate cake.
From a Japanese restaurant?
They had it on the menu.
Green tea chocolate cake. And?
I have ever eaten in my life. Maya, next time, can you order sushi again?
Next time, I will order the right thing, Sam.
But what if the wrong thing is better? That is actually a good point.
Are you two saying I should order wrong food on purpose?
Not on purpose, just don't check too carefully.
Sam!
I am just saying, tonight was great.
I cannot believe I am being encouraged to make mistakes.
Maya ordered the wrong food and lesson that night.
Even if your family secretly hopes you don't. Always double check your order.